Good day, lovies. This time, we're gonna create a chart or a visual representation of our data. So when you say visual representation of our data, so the data that we have here will be presented in a graphic or a chart. As being said, we're gonna create a chart today. So yeah, the first thing to do is just to select to which of these data would you like to be presented in a chart. So for example, I'd like to see who among my customers has spent a lot in my store. So all I need to do is just to highlight it, including the headers and its corresponding data. Go to the Insert tab and then select what kind of chart would I wish it to be presented. For example, I'd like to have a pie chart. All I need to do is just to click the pie chart, and then I'll be given options. What kind of arrangement would it be, or what kind of appearance of the pie chart would it be? For example, I'd like it to be in 3D, so I'll just click that one, and automatic I am provided with a chart. And the good thing about this one is when you are provided with a chart, the Excel will also highlight to which of these data were in the pie chart or were presented by a chart. Now, for example, I'd like to have it in a more presentable way. All I need to do is just to click this one and direct myself to the Design tab and just select to which design. For example, I'd like this in a more simpler but in a 3D way. I'll just click that one and automatically my chart or my visual representation of data will be changing in this manner. Now, for example, I changed my mind and I'd like it to be presented in a different chart. All I need to do then is just again to direct myself to the Design tab and locate the Change Chart Type. So just click that one and then you will be given suggestions to which charts does your data fits. Okay? For example, in the column, yes, all you need to do is just to select. Want it to be all in blue or in colored. Line, pie, bar, whatever you wish to have or whatever you wish to the data to be presented. So again, for example, we'd like to select the bar and clustered column. And to do then is just to select in this part here in what manner, 3D or whatever. So for example, I'd like to use this one. I'd like it more colorful to be more specific. Then just click that and click OK, and automatically your chart will be changed. Now for example naman, I'd like my chart to be moved in a different sheet. For example, I want this chart to be presented in sheet 1. All I need to do again is just to click the chart, direct to the Design tab, and go to Move Chart. After clicking Move Chart, you will be asked, would you like to have a new sheet? For example, you'd like to have a new sheet. You will be given another sheet that only the chart is inside. For example, you change your mind again. You'd like to transfer it. The same thing, you go to the Design tab and then go to the Move Chart and choose your desired sheet. For example, I'd like it to be in sheet 3 again. I'd like to go back to my previous one. Just click OK and then you'll be moved into your selected sheet. Also, you can adjust the appearance of your chart depending on how you want it to be displayed. So as easy as that. I hope you enjoy, explore, and good luck!